Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is part of a 4-part series and today is the second video on how to recreate fast food at home. Today my look is very different because I do really like bright colours, but I normally don't do this kind of makeup, so I just want to scroll over and show you guys what I've done. So I've been watching Euphoria recently and I've really enjoyed seeing the different looks of the different characters within Euphoria. So as you can see, like, this is the look that I've done. I've got my nails to match with it as well. So this is the Euphoria look for Maddie, and I really love her blue eyeshadow. So yeah, side note. And I will be doing a series on Euphoria makeup after doing the How to Create Fast Food at Home series. So I'm really looking forward to creating this series because I'm just trying these out and it'll be great to like get your opinion. So why don't you go ahead and in the comment section below tell me what you think of this look and whether you'd like me to do other looks. Whose look do you like the most from Euphoria, and I will be sure to do that. So like I said, this is my second video in how to create fast food at home, and in my first video, if you guys haven't seen it, go and check it out at my channel. On my channel you can see how to create a Big Mac. I actually placed a hint in my first video on what today's video will be about, so let's check that out first. I put the Big Mac sauce in an empty Nando's Peronaise bottle. So today's video is about how to make Nando's chicken at home using homemade marinade. So this is a recipe that I actually personally came up with because I thought, okay, well, Nando's has like a lot of tangy flavors. Has like a subtle spice to it. In the description box below, I've got the recipe and the ingredients list, so do check it out. However, if you'd like to opt for a less spicy and less tangy Nando's, then you can sure as hell do that, and I've actually put alternatives in the description box below. So the alternatives are very easy, very quick. You can basically, instead of using limes, use 1 lemon. And instead of using 2 chilies, use 1 chili pepper. I did go a bit crazy, and when I sniffed the marinade, my eyes were watering, like I was crying. So yeah, but I do like spicy food, so I thought, hey, why not? Do hang in there because I will be putting my final dish at the very end. So I'd like you to give it a rating out of 10. How much does it look like Nando's? And I'll give it a rating. My friend Rachel told me it'd be really good to do a rating, so I'm just going to give her a little shout out here. And so the rating I'm going to give on how it looks, I'd say, oh my god, 9 out of 10. It actually looks exactly like Nando's. I'm not even lying. And how it tastes, it was slightly tangy, slightly more spicy, but you know what? Everyone has their Nando's differently, right? Because you might add sauces on, or you might have it plain. So taste-wise, I'd say I give it a 7 out of 10. But yeah, it did sure as hell satisfy my Nando's craving, so it will sure as hell satisfy your Nando's craving as well. And I didn't just leave it hanging and just had like a chicken on the plate. I thought, let's do something complete. Let's make it super complete. And I decided to have creamy smooth mash. Oh my god, it was so smooth, this mash. I love making mash and I love eating mash. It's incredible. And then I also had corn on the cob with it, you know, because you know you need to have a bit of veg on the side. So yeah, so that's what I did, and you know, like, let's get started. Okay guys, so that's all for today. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I have to say that the rating 9 out of 10 for how it looks and 7 out of 10 on how it tastes. Yeah, it was pretty amazing. I really enjoyed this one as well because it looked so similar to the actual Nando's that I usually have. Also, if you'd like to support me, please like and subscribe by hitting the bottom right hand corner of this screen. And I'll see you in the next video where we'll be recreating fast food at home, and the next video will be how to create KFC at home. So I know that many of you have been requesting for that, so I hope you guys will enjoy it. So I'll see you guys next Sunday. Bye.